Hello, good day to all of you. I'm here inside the Clark, Pampanga at Royce Hotel and Casino. Yes, in my room. I'm having a concert with the original Baguettes, Gabby Concepcion. A little bit later at 8 p.m. Alis pa tayo dyan mga tropa pits. Medyo wala pa tayong log 2. Kailangan natin ng idlip. Kaya mamayang 4 p.m. ang sound check. I've been given the chance to work with Gabby Concepcion, and had the privilege to check in this kind of luxurious lifestyle. Yes. Nice ba? Yan lang, that's life. Happy holiday season to all of you. Mukhang ngayon ata yung Mount Pinatubo. Diba? I'm here inside the Clark Freeport air base. Yeah. Part of Mabalacat, I understand. Though, yan. Yes, still the director of the house and ice skis. Yeah. And just take a nap. Hey, very much. Good day. Alright. Ano tayo medyo. Yan. Log to muna mga repapits. Okay. Ayos. Have a nice day to all of you.